Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagam. Tonight on Uzalo, an emotional roller coaster as beloved daughter and sister and friends bids their farewell to Wamashu. Gabisile rebuildings with a struggling Hlelo. Hlelo will be working on Gwanjomane after Gabisile requesting Kunzi for Hlelo to work at Gwanjomane. Nyao World's dreams becomes reality. When Coco has decided to leave her bad ways behind to push a relationship with Nyao. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Wenzani?
Hawu. Bengithi phela mhlambe noma uyabona
Mhlambe emva kokuthi ungigulizise lapha yawuloku ungimunca njengofishi.